my god. Mom! Okay, so I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure that this is my 1 million subscribers plaque, which I would not have if it weren't for you guys. So thank you. I'm so excited. It's heavy, you guys. There's a note. You're bigger than Vancouver. You're bigger than Venice. Meghan McCarthy. You're even bigger than Las Vegas. 1 million subscribers. Maybe you imagined that day for a long time, or maybe you never thought you were so big. Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out that your creativity, that your ideas, that your voice speaks to 1 million people across the globe. Why are you shaking that? You're doing that on purpose? You're shaking that. We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is reward enough, but we're incredibly proud of all you've done, so we hope you'll accept this golden play button as a token of our esteem. With your track record, we suspect you're only going to keep growing, and we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone, 10 million subscribers. I don't know if I'll get there, but we'll see. Remember the days when you were like 10,000? You made us keep creating inspiration for everything you do. Susan, that's from the CEO of YouTube. Whoa. Whoa! Oh my god, this is cool! Whoa! You guys, look at how cool this is. My mom and dad are watching. My mom looks like she's gonna cry. You guys, look how cool it is. Congratulations for surpassing 1 million subscribers. Dude, this thing is heavy. It's really heavy. Look at it, you guys.
That's gorgeous.
Okay.
Wow.
And your name's on
Look
it.
at it.
It's great.
Wow. Thank you all so much. I literally would not have this without you guys. So thank you. I love it. It's so beautiful. Thank you, YouTube. And I'm gonna keep making videos for you guys because I love you. Let's get that diamond play button next. Okay, love you, bye. You made it through my whole video? That's amazing. Don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up because it's really hard to pee when you're wearing a onesie. I love you. Okay? Okay, bye.